Struggling to copy table in Word? Then follow these steps. If you right click on the table, you won't see any copy option. And even if you select the text, you won't see the copy table option. You can just select the text, copy it, and then paste it inside the Word document. So, the solution to this is you need to click inside the cell and select the entire table like this. After highlighting the table, when you right click on the table, now you will see the option of copy. This will copy table as well as the text inside the table. After copying, you can simply right click in the document and paste the table wherever you want inside the Microsoft Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.